In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage budgets and expenses on Monday.com so you can track spending, control costs, and always know where your money is going. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, operational expenses, software subscriptions, or event budgets, this setup will give you a clear, real-time financial overview inside Monday.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. The first step is to create or open a board. You can either start with a completely blank board or use one of Monday.com's budgeting templates if you prefer a head start. To do this, click on Add in the left sidebar, choose New Board, and then select Blank Board. Give your board a clear name, such as 2026 Budget Tracker or Company Expense Manager. This board will act as your central hub for tracking all budget categories and expenses. Next, we need to add the key columns that will track your financial data properly. Click the plus icon on the right side of your columns to add new ones. First, add a numbers column and rename it to Budget. This will represent the allocated amount for each category or item. Then add another numbers column and rename it to Actual Spend. This is where you'll input the real amount spent. After that, add a formula column. Rename it to Remaining Budget. This column will automatically calculate how much money you have left. Then add a status column and label it something like Approval Status. You can customize the labels to Approved, Pending, and Rejected to track whether expenses have been approved. Finally, add a date column and rename it to Expense Date so you can log exactly when each cost occurred. Now let's add the formulas that make this board powerful. Click on the Formula column and select Edit Formula. For Remaining Budget, enter the formula open curly bracket, budget, close curly bracket, minus, open curly bracket, actual spend, close curly bracket. This will automatically subtract the actual spend from the allocated budget. If you also want a clear visual indicator for overspending, you can add another formula column and call it Over Budget Indicator. In that formula field, type if, open parentheses, open curly bracket, actual spend, close curly bracket, greater than, open curly bracket, budget, close curly bracket, comma, quotation mark, over budget, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, okay, quotation mark, close parentheses. This will automatically flag any line where spending exceeds the budget. Once your columns and formulas are set up, the next step is to organize your board using groups. Groups allow you to segment different types of spending. For example, you can create groups called Marketing, Operations, Software, and Events. To add a new group, click Add Group at the bottom of your board and rename it accordingly. This makes it easy to separate departments or cost categories and quickly review totals within each section. Now let's take this to the next level by creating a dashboard for a high-level overview. Click on Add in the sidebar again and select New Dashboard. Choose the relevant boards to connect, including your budget board. Once inside the dashboard, start adding widgets. Add a numbers widget to display total budget and total actual spend. This gives you an instant summary of your overall financial position. Then add a chart widget and configure it to show spend by group or category. This visual breakdown helps you immediately see which department is consuming the most resources. Finally, add a battery widget and connect it to your remaining budget column. This provides a visual progress style indicator showing how much of your budget is left. With this complete setup, you now have a fully functional budgeting and expense management system inside Monday.com. You can track allocations, monitor real-time spending, flag overspending automatically, organize by department, and visualize everything in a clean dashboard. That's how to manage budgets and expenses on Monday.com step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.